Homestead Kitchen Living again this week. You know, one of the best things about going out to eat dinner is this fresh baked rolls they bring you before they serve you to dinner. Texas Roadhouse serves you a nice honey baked roll, and they serve you some nice honey cinnamon butter to spread on top of it. Well, let me tell you, I got a recipe that duplicates that and makes you almost want to just stay home. You want to see how I made these rolls? Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Start with a cup of warm milk. Add a packet of active yeast to the milk. Give that a little stir. And set that aside. Now it's time to sift the flour. We're going to sift 4 cups of flour for these rolls. Now it's time for the egg. Whoa, what happened? Let's take another look. What happened to the egg? Let's add 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Give that a little stir. Mix it all together. Add a 1/4 cup of honey to the mix. And put the milk and yeast back in. This is where the fun starts, guys. I'm going to give this a stir. You can see it's starting to take shape. Time to get the hands into the action. There you go, a little sticky, little sticky, little sticky. We're going to add some flour to the dough, dry it out a little bit. And continue kneading. I like to do my kneading in the bowl at first. It keeps it kind of neat and tidy. It's time to put it out on a flat surface. Get the wax paper, put the dough on the wax paper, and continue kneading. Check out that action, guys. You can't get your KitchenAid mixer to knead your dough like that. Knead it, stretch it out a little bit, knead it some more. Now it's time to put it in a bowl. Spray some Pam in your bowl so the dough doesn't stick as it's rising. Put your dough into the bowl. Cover it with a towel and set that aside for about an hour. Hour's up, guys. Let's get the wax paper ready. Put a little flour. It's fruit, isn't it? There you go. I'm going to flatten that out to about a 1/4 inch thick all the way around. That's just about right there. Now we're going to slice it up into 3 different strips. I chose 3 strips because it makes it a little bit bigger rolls. Now you're going to fold it, cut it, spray the baking sheet with some Pam, set it in the baking sheet. Fold, cut, fold, cut. That's simple. Like I say, you can make smaller rolls if you want to do 4 strips. I chose 3 strips. Now we're going to rearrange them, trying to make them a little pretty. There we go. Now we're going to do some egg wash on top. This will help them to brown up once they get into the oven. Now cover them up and set them aside for about 10 minutes. While the rolls are resting, it's time to make the cinnamon honey butter. Start with a stick of room temperature butter, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1/2 cup of honey, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I added extra cinnamon. I like the cinnamon. Now we just mix it all together with a fork. Mix it around, mix and mix and mix. Kind of like Play-Doh, only it's food. Pretty cool, huh? Let's set that aside. I think the rolls are ready. Put them into the oven, 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Look at that. Put a couple tablespoons of melted butter on the top. Oh yeah, I can taste this already. I don't even need butter cinnamon. Just eat them plain, just like that. Put them on a serving tray. Look at that. Who wouldn't love to dive into that? Let's see what one looks like from the inside. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and tender, fluffy. Put a little cinnamon honey butter on it. Oh yeah. Texas Roadhouse, you've got nothing on these. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.